Whoa, got a big one on here. Fishing for Mother's Day here. Fishing for Mom. I think I got the biggest one on I've ever had on here. Hope it's a good one. Fishing for Mother's Day for Mom. Oh, man. Here it comes, here it comes. Wow, will you look at that? That's the biggest mom I ever caught, and the best, too. Happy Mother's Day, everyone. Yeah, you have to admit that's a pretty nice mom. But I'm going to show you a magic trick that you can do if you got a nice mom like this. Check this out. It says Mom, right? And it's still a nice catch. Yeah, Mom, Yeah, right. Now watch this. Wow! That's right, Mom. Wow! Everybody has a special mom.